Imagine you had a magic wand that could turn your spare change into a growing fortune. Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, with Raiz, you don't need a magic wand. You just need a smartphone. Have you ever wished you could invest your spare change without even noticing it's gone? Or maybe you felt overwhelmed by the idea of investing and thought it was only for the wealthy. Benefit 1: Micro-investing made easy. Raiz is a revolutionary app that makes investing as easy as breathing. With just a few taps, you can start investing as little as $1 per week. It's like putting your spare change to work, but with the potential for much greater returns. One of the biggest benefits of micro-investing is that it allows you to start small and gradually increase your investment amount over time. This is a great way to build your wealth without feeling overwhelmed. Benefit 2: Diversification at your fingertips. Raiz offers a range of investment options, including ETFs, which allow you to diversify your portfolio across different asset classes. This means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, reducing your risk and increasing your chances of long-term success. Whether you're interested in stocks, bonds, or a mix of both, Raiz has an investment option to suit your needs. And the best part is, you don't need to have extensive financial knowledge to get started. Benefit 3: Automation for effortless investing. One of the biggest challenges to investing is staying consistent. But with Raiz, you don't have to worry about remembering to invest. The app automatically rounds up your spare change and invests it for you, so you can sit back and watch your wealth grow. This automation feature is particularly beneficial for those who struggle with discipline or have busy lifestyles. It takes the guesswork out of investing and ensures you're making regular contributions to your portfolio. Benefit 4: Affordable fees. Raiz is committed to making investing accessible to everyone, which is why it offers low-cost fees. This means more of your money goes towards your investment goals rather than paying hefty fees to financial institutions. With Raiz, you can invest without breaking the bank. It's a great option for those who are just starting out on their investment journey or have a limited budget. Benefit 5: Financial education. In addition to investing, Raiz also offers a range of educational resources to help you make informed decisions about your finances. From articles and videos to webinars and workshops, there's something for everyone. By learning more about investing, you can become a more confident and savvy investor. Raiz is your one-stop shop for financial education and investment tools. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and start building wealth, Raiz is the perfect solution. With its easy-to-use interface, affordable fees, and educational resources, Raiz makes investing accessible to everyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.